Ken, let me kick it off with you. Big moves in this market last couple of days on the upside. Do you attribute that to anything fundamental, or is this just end of quarter repositioning?
It's a combination of things. I think the market's sniffing out that we are going to get a stimulus deal. I think, they want to go home to the constituents and say, we got a deal, and also the airline pressure, the furloughs is going to put a lot of pressure. We really need the airlines to get mobility, of course, in our country. I also think, we had a nasty September correction off of August kind of frothiness, so it kind of set up pretty well here. And I do think, though, we kind of choppy going around the election. The other side of it, if we don't have a president-elect on November 4th, if you remember what happened in 2000, the market lost almost 9% from the time that we didn't have a declared winner into the time we went to the Supreme Court and then we had a declared winner. And that was a really volatile time. So I think investors still remember that time back in 2000. So you shake it up, you put it together, and here we are with a very choppy market. But off to a good start for the fourth quarter. It looks like the future is higher this morning.
Yeah, let's talk about the fourth quarter. It's kicking off on a strong note. If, in fact, the market does open better than 250 points this morning, where do you see opportunity? Where's the growth in the fourth quarter? Do you think we will see an economy beginning to show real stabilization and growth once again after that contraction we keep seeing in the second quarter?
Well, the economic data points have been a lot better, far above our expectations, far above most people's expectations. We've had a V-shaped recovery in the stock market, and one could argue a V-shaped recovery in the economy for that matter. I still think the opportunities in technology, and sometimes not for all the great reasons. I think this virus is going to be around for some time. Unfortunately, maybe there's a so-called second wave. Now, we'll deal with it a little bit better than we did the first time, probably lower fatalities. But it's still going to be more this kind of stay-at-home remote economy, and that benefits cloud companies, and that benefits AI and all those technology companies. So the third quarter, which just ended yesterday, we'll have earnings in earnest in a few weeks. And I expect the technology sector be the strongest sector when it comes to earnings.
Technology. All right. We will watch that. That certainly was where the growth was in the preceding couple quarters. Ken, it's good to see you this morning. Thank you, sir.
Well,
Ken Mahoney joining us. Here's your morning mover, Palantir.